So how do you secure your bike when you walk away from it to protect it from thieves and other people who might want to take it away from you? Remember guys, it's a very expensive investment and you want to do everything possible to protect it. Now to do that you need locks, and that is not a problem. You can buy locks online or from auto shops to secure your bike while you're away. But what happens when you come back and you unlock them and you're about to ride off? Where do you keep those locks? That's why I'm here today guys, to give you a cool tip on how you can carry your locks along when you're riding your motorcycle. Now if you have panniers installed on your bike, this shouldn't be a problem. You just shove them in there and you ride away. But there are quite a number of people who ride with their backpacks just like myself, and if you drop these locks in the backpacks, the bag becomes so heavy and it's probably not good for your back. So I'm going to show you a cool trick on how you can go along with your locks without worrying about it. So stay tuned. So guys, I personally have two locks, two in the front on the front brake disc and one in the rear on the rear brake disc. So including the steering lock, I have 4 locks on my bike, and you can understand why if you buy an expensive machine. Now after I unlock them, which I'm going to do right now, that's the first one, and then the front 2. Now I have 3 heavy locks and they are on the floor right now. Where do I place them? Do I place them in my backpack, which makes it even heavier, especially if you have other things already in the backpack such as computer and books and stuff like that? Or where do you put it if you don't have panniers? So what I did to solve this problem was I went to a sports shop called Decathlon. Some of you may be familiar with Decathlon. So I went to Decathlon and I got this bag, which is supposed to be used on bicycles, I think, but I was looking for something for the purpose. It's got 2 straps here and another one on this side. So what I did was I looked to see if all my 3 locks will fit in there, and once it did, I bought it and took it home and just put it around these metal pipes, and also on the rear foot peg. So it's hanging off 3 points from the bike, and it opens really widely, and I can place the 3 locks in there. So that's the first lock. It goes in like so. The second lock goes in like so, and the third lock goes in like that. So I just close it up, zip it up, and that's it. It doesn't protrude too much. If you don't look closely, you wouldn't know that it's not part of the bike, and it does the trick. So I ride carefree. I don't have to worry about where my locks are and all that. I know they are always here, and I haven't seen it affect the weight of the bike in any way. So this is a cool way that you can keep your locks while you're riding. It doesn't have to be from Decathlon or any sports shop. You can just maybe even look around your house. There might be a small sort of bag or purse or pouch that can do the same trick, and as long as you can hook it onto different points on the bike, you should be good to go. I think this is a safer way rather than putting in your backpack. If putting in your backpack is not a problem for you, that's fine, but I think this is a really neat solution in order to have your locks in one place so that you don't have to worry about it while you're riding. But like I said, if you have panniers or even a rear sort of box, you can just put them in there, and that's a better solution. But if you don't have that and you only have your backpack, of course you can't put these locks in your pockets because they're big and heavy, and it's not safe when you fall over. And that's also another reason why I don't like to put in the backpack, because then when you fall over, which we pray doesn't happen, then it might cause damage to you, the person. So get a bag, hang it on somewhere, put it in there, and then you're good to go. Alright guys, that's all for this video. It was just a quick tip to show you how you can keep your locks while you're riding your motorcycle. So once again, thank you so much for watching. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can grow little by little every day. Be safe on the roads, ride legal, ride safe. See you in the next video. Peace.